Now in this next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an image into your website. So first of all, I'm going to select where I want the image to go. I'm going to check the insert option is open, and it still is from before, and I'm going to make sure that from the drop down list I've selected common. Now to insert an image, I'm going to click on images and image, and then I'm going to navigate to my desktop where my image was saved. Now at this point, the computer might ask you to save your work if you haven't saved it already, and afterwards it's going to ask you this question, and basically what it's saying is this image that you're trying to insert isn't part of your website, so do you want to copy this image across to your website? Now the answer to that question should always be yes. Okay, and that is because when you copy your work across to another computer, that image won't copy across if it's not in that website folder, so it won't actually display and your website won't look very good. Now I always like to create a folder for my images because that keeps everything nice and tidy. I'm going to save that image in that folder. Now the next option just basically asks us for some text to include, and it's just to describe the image to a visually impaired user of the website. I'm just going to type in what the image is, so it's my website banner, and I'm just going to click on OK, and you can see now that the image has been put into my website. Now one problem that I've got is that the image is actually a little bit bigger than I first anticipated, so now it's messed up the layout of my web page. But not to worry, because all you need to do is take each of the layers and just move them so they're actually better positioned and we can see them all on the screen. And again, you can do this at any point in making your website. There we go. Here you can see I've added most of the images now to my website, and I'm just going to show you another quick way of inserting an image into your website. Now first of all, I'm going to make sure my cursor is in the right place, and you can see it flashing away underneath the home button. I'm then going to select insert from the top and image. I'm just going to go through the same process, so selecting the button, copying it across into my images folder, and actually selecting some alt text. And there you go. You can see now that that image has been inserted into my website.